Hello again, been gone for a while, but I'm back with the Tucson. Had a lot of projects on the go. Got myself a Duckwing spoiler, very popular, look really nice. Here's the before, and I'm just going to drill some holes for it here because it comes with some really good double-sided tape, but I wanted to add some Robertson tapping screws, zinc plated, so they won't rust. They're going to look really pretty up there. And the OEM trim, the black trim there, it just ends and the wing starts right like that, so it sort of blends right in there with the lining, and it sticks out a few inches from the back here. So I still got all the projects on the go. I installed the oil pressure gauge in my car, and I'm gonna get a transmission temperature gauge as well, because I have a trailer. And did you know that the only place that generates heat in a transmission is the torque converter, and it just spreads out from there? So I'm gonna get a transmission temperature gauge up in here. I'm gonna have an install video for you guys. I got a mood light here, mood lamp, and I got myself a 7-way trailer connector, 4 to 7, and I'm gonna have an install video for that along with this Primus Tekonsha Brake Controller. So you guys aren't gonna want to miss that. Something's bound to go wrong. Alright guys, take care of your Tucson. I'll see ya with a bunch of other videos coming soon.